Well, good morning, everybody. This is day, I guess you would say day 3. Day 1 was traveling. Day 2 was getting footage from yesterday. And today is day 3. It is going to be an iffy day today because it's supposed to rain, possibly even hail. So, track was hot at 9:30. It's about 10:30. Took me a while to get a place last night. Yeah, so got my place and everything, and got some sleep. Not a lot. It's I sit at a trucker station, so it's a bit loud. Just did a little reel. Went to Buc-ee's last night, and oh my gosh, back to the track we go. I told you guys it's not all fun and games. You know, you gotta be on top of it. There is a schedule to kind of go by. So, but yeah, guys, let me go ahead and get ready, and we'll get out to the track. Not much track time gonna be here. I think it might rain around like 1. It looks really gray. Actually, here, let me show you. Doesn't look like a beautiful day today. So, but make it do what it do. And once it rains, I'll edit some stuff out for you guys and have awesome content. All right? I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Boys and girls, here it is, day 3/day 2 at the track. I'm out here, got the gimbal out today, got you guys right here. Hopefully it's a good view. Let's get some footage for y'all, man. Let's get it. We out here. Let's go straight into it. Get it. Had to go grab the decent stuff.
What are we thinking? Big burnout or small burnout?
I think big burnout on this one. May have to go to a commercial break. What's up, my man? How you doing?
681 at 217.
good, everybody? So I came back to the McDonald's again that I came to yesterday, and I'm just transferring more files. And it gets hot out there, like it gets humid hot out there. So I just was like, all right, I'm done for the day. I'll go back when it's cooler again. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get some posts done and probably do my day one video and go ahead and get that posted up too. It's nice, cool AC in here. They don't mind. I've already asked. So not too an eventful day. Like I said, it's kind of the same thing, repetitive. Track the days, get cool stuff. Hopefully, you know, I missed another car that did a wheelie, unfortunately. But yeah, and then also too, charging my batteries. So backing up all files, gonna start some stuff. And I'm tired. A lot of these guys are tired. Like a lot of them go to the day stuff, they go to the night stuff too. And they're tired, and that tiredness is kicking in right now for myself. So I may not even go out tonight. May just find a hotel, call it a night, and get some stuff done for you guys to watch. So I told you, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There is work that has to be done for you guys to watch this stuff. So, but on that note, I don't know when I'll catch y'all, but I'll catch y'all a little bit later.